I introduced to you the 4K action Wi-Fi camera. This is a type of camera that can be used in various situations and in many versatile ways. In this box, I am unboxing the camera itself and its various components. It has a lot of components, has a lot of accessories like clamps, strips that can be used in various situations you find yourself, even when you can't even hold a camera, and then make your experience or document your experience. So in the box, right in the box, you can just get the manual. I'm not going to read the manual. I don't care about manual because in my part of the world, we normally don't use the manual. So the manual teaches you how to use the action camera in various ways. But I want to introduce you to each of the components one by one. And what we are seeing right now is the camera itself, the 4K action camera, which has Wi-Fi embedded into it. The back is here. What I'm showing you is the screen, which is at the back for preview, and the side, the Type C charging ports at the side. This camera can last for about a whole day, if I may. And this the Type C charger, the Type C cord, which can be used for each charging. It looks like an ordinary Type C, a Type C, and there's another clamp, a boxing for the whole, a holder for the whole camera, so you can see the two holes what you put the ports there, like a spare for the other one. And there's a clamp. There are a lot of clamps and strips in this pack because it's an action camera. For you to find yourself in you can put it in your car, you can put it in a whole lot. It has a memory and a dedicated amount of storage in that camera. It's Wi-Fi. So this camera, it's very good, very versatile as well. And there's a remote battery for a remote controller for it. It's Bluetooth, so you can play pause wherever you can. The camera can be somewhere, play and pause. And these are the strips. These strips can be used on your arm and then attach the camera to it. You see, so you can tell it can be used in various ways. So all what is left are just clamps. Okay. So Ken is Nedi. I've introduced you to one gadget. So if you want to make a purchase, it goes for a cool 800 cities. Link it's in my bio. Ken is Nedi here. Continue to live. Peace.